Hey friends, here's a wonderful trick if you wish to open folder with keyboard shortcut on Windows. Okay, so let us say that we have this folder here, the KBatch2 folder. Right click on it, select show more options, click on send to, select desktop to create a shortcut. Okay, so we have a shortcut here. Now, this is just a shortcut for once, but let us say we need to keep opening it again and again using a single key. So right click on it. Okay, select show more options, click on properties. You will find the shortcut tab here which didn't appear last time. Now the shortcut key is selected at none because there is no key. I'll change it to 1. It says num1. It means that the number pad 1 is the shortcut key, not the usual one, but the 1 on the number pad. Click on apply and OK. Now I will not touch the shortcut. See, my mouse is here. All I'll do is I'll hit 1 and it opens the folder. This can be a very useful trick. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.